Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus and algebra. So on the question, how many terms of the arithmetic progression are needed to make a total of 204? So now I want to show you how to answer. The first thing we need to find about D. So we need to use about the second term minus the first term so we can find the value of D. We know that this is about mixed ratio, so we can put like this. And this one we have 5/4. And the next one, the first term of this one, that is about number 2. The first term of this one, we can see that the sum of the function, that should be about h equals to n/2 multiplied by 2a1 multiplied by n minus 1d. So we know that h, that is about 204. a1, that is about number 2. d, that is about 5/4. And now we need to expand everything in here. So we multiply both sides by number 2. And we have 4/8, 408. This one we have number 4. This one we have 5/4 and minus 5/4. So we have number 4 minus 5/4, and we have 11/4. So now and multiply by this one and this one. Next, I will put 408 go to the right. We calculate this one, and we have n equals to 17 and equals to negative 96/5. So because this is about the numbers of terms, that should be about positive integers, so we select about this one. That is the end. Thank you for watching.